Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use cloves for thicker and faster hair growth and to stop excessive hair loss. If you consider this video helpful at the end of the day, please subscribe to my channel, comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's move right into the video. Thank you. Here I'm making use of a tablespoon of cloves. I added a tablespoon of cloves into my pot and I added 1.5 cup of water into my pot. I placed it on the stove on a normal heat. Now let me tell you some of the benefits of cloves and why you should consider using cloves on your hair. Cloves promotes hair growth and also helps in reducing hair loss. It also keeps the scalp clean. As you can see, the water is already changing because of the cloves. So I allowed it to boil for 10 to 5 minutes before taking it off the stove. I transferred it into my bowl. The clove water is still hot, so I'm going to leave it for some time for it to infuse more and also get cold. So my clove water is cold right now. If you like, you can decide to leave it this way and allow it to infuse more. Yeah, that's why I'm showing you my bottle. I've left this for over a month and this is how it looks like, and it still works perfectly. So you can decide to leave your cloves inside the water. For proper storage, you can just place this inside a jar together with the cloves. Whenever you want to use it, you can just take out of it and use. You can also use this way if you want to use it immediately, like what I'm doing right now. You strain your cloves, you get a strainer and you strain it out. I placed it into my applicator bottle. I'm also adding my tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is good for hair growth. It helps in promoting your hair growth and keeping your scalp healthy. I added 10 drops of my tea tree oil. You can decide not to add any essential oil, it still works perfectly. You can also add vitamin E, it works perfectly, or any other essential oil apart from tea tree oil that you have at home. This treatment is amazing. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Now for application. Over here I have cornrows. What I did, I sprayed it on my edges first before spraying it on my scalp. This directly penetrates my scalp because of the cornrows I have. This also works for braided hair. You spray it directly on your scalp. The only difference is that you don't spray it on your attachment. It can also be sprayed if you don't have cornrows or braids on, you just have your hair loosed out. You can spray it on your scalp, then you spray it down to the tip of your hair strands. This also helps. This treatment helps in treating hair loss. It helps in thickening your hair. It also helps in reducing any form of hair loss and breakage. It helps in building every thin area of your hair. Any area you know that you are experiencing hair thinning, you just spray it directly to it. Within a week, 7 days, you discover that you have hairs all grown out. So this treatment is amazing. You can give it a trial and I want you to come back and comment below your feedback. I use this almost every day. You can use this as a daily spray. You can use it 3 times a week. It all depends on what you want. And when you are using it, the amazing thing about this treatment, you don't have to wash it out, you don't have to rinse it out. Is it can serve as a leave-in spray. You can also use this treatment either during the day or during the night. If you're applying it during the night, I'll advise that you place a plastic bag on it and you cover it up with your satin cap. After applying it on your hair, you massage your scalp so that the blood can flow into your scalp, and it also helps in promoting hair growth when blood flow directly to your scalp. So I did not finish using my clove water. So over here I have the leftover of my clove water. I'm going to be storing this. Like I said, this can last for a month without getting spoiled. So I'm going to be storing this in my refrigerator. Even if you don't have a refrigerator, you can also store this. It lasts. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a nice comment below. Thank you and see you on my next upload.